Conventional cough syrups are a complete bust. Like, there have been study after study showing that honey is just as effective as over-the-counter cough syrups. The active ingredient in Robitussin, most of these cough syrups, is an ingredient called dextromethorphan. That was a pretty large-scale study. And so we have enough evidence now. There is no need to take cough syrup. You don't need to. So if you're buying cough syrup, choose a honey-based one. Obviously, we make a cough syrup, but anything that's kind of honey-based, that's gonna do the trick so much more than these conventional chemicals.